The Law of Attraction Explained: How to Manifest Anything You Desire. This audiobook will help you unlock the hidden power within you to create the life you truly desire. Introduction. The Law of Attraction isn't just a mystical idea, it's a universal principle that governs the way reality unfolds around you. From the moment you wake up to the moment you close your eyes, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are broadcasting energetic signals that call experiences into your life. Some people live by default, reacting to life as it happens, but others choose to live on purpose by mastering the law of attraction. In this book, you'll learn the foundational strategies that will shift you from hoping life improves to actively creating the life you dream of. You'll see how your thoughts become things, why your emotions are magnetic, and how belief, clarity, and alignment are your superpowers. Through clear explanations and inspiring examples, you'll discover how people just like you unlocked abundance, love, purpose, and peace using this universal law. By the end of this book, you'll feel deeply empowered to take control of your reality. You'll no longer feel like life is happening to you, but through you. Please take time to like, share, and subscribe to the Alignment Voice for more content like this. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Understanding the Basic Principle. The law of attraction works on the premise that like attracts like. Your thoughts, when combined with strong emotion and repetition, become energetic magnets that draw in similar experiences. This is not wishful thinking, it's physics. Every thought you think has a frequency. When you consistently focus on something, especially with emotion, you create a vibration that aligns with similar frequencies in the universe. It's crucial to understand that this law is always working, whether you believe in it or not. It's not something you turn on. Much like gravity, it's a law of nature that operates constantly. The key is to use it deliberately instead of by default. People often attract what they don't want because they're emotionally fixated on fear, lack, or frustration. That's why awareness is the first step to mastery. You must become conscious of what you're thinking, feeling, and speaking on a daily basis. Your dominant mental and emotional state becomes the script for your future. To harness this law, begin by asking, what am I consistently thinking about? If it's something you don't want, you are unconsciously calling more of it into your life. Flip the script by focusing on what you do want with intention, clarity, and belief. Story: Fatima's shift. Fatima, a middle school teacher in Nairobi, loved her job, but always complained about her salary. She'd often say, "Teachers will never be paid well here." Over time, her frustration grew, yet nothing changed. One day, after reading about the law of attraction, she began shifting her focus. Instead of complaining, she started affirming, "My skills are valuable. Abundance flows to me through my gifts." She also began journaling her dream salary. Within 3 months, she was invited to consult for an international educational nonprofit, doubling her income. Chapter 2. Why Thoughts Become Things. Everything begins with a thought. Thoughts are not just fleeting brain activity. They are energetic impulses that emit vibrations into the quantum field. When a thought is repeated often enough, especially when charged with emotion, it becomes a belief. And beliefs are powerful forces that create your perception of the world, which in turn shapes your actions, expectations, and outcomes. The universe responds not to isolated wishes, but to consistent mental patterns. That's why casual daydreaming rarely results in manifestation, while focused, intentional thinking tends to produce real-world change. The thoughts you entertain the most are the ones you're aligning your energy with. Every major invention, movement, or breakthrough in history began with a thought. Someone imagined something different and believed it could become real. Thoughts influence your internal chemistry too. They impact your mood, your posture, your decisions, and your frequency. If you believe in your thoughts and fuel them with feeling, the universe begins organizing circumstances to match them. Begin paying attention to your repetitive thoughts, especially the subtle ones. Are you thinking about growth, love, abundance, and progress? Or are you trapped in loops of fear and worry? Remember, the universe doesn't discriminate. It simply mirrors what you consistently project. Story: Kweku's travel manifestation. Kweku, a data analyst from Accra, spent years scrolling travel blogs and saying, "I wish I could live like that." but his inner thoughts were full of doubt. I could never afford it. After learning about the law of attraction, he began shifting his thoughts. Each day, he visualized working on his laptop from a beach, hearing ocean waves, and checking into hotels. He repeated the affirmation, "My life is full of freedom and adventure." Within 6 months, a remote position opened at his company, and now he works from Bali. Chapter 3: The Power of Emotions in Manifestation. While thoughts send out the signal, emotions powerfully amplify it. Emotions are like the electricity that activates the signal you're sending into the universe. When you think a thought and feel nothing, it's weak. But when a thought is charged with passion, joy, gratitude, or even strong desire, it becomes magnetic. This is why simply thinking, "I want more money," isn't enough. But if you feel abundant, excited, and grateful as you think about money, your vibration shifts into alignment with wealth. Emotion creates coherence between the heart and mind, a key state for attracting faster. It's also important to feel the emotion before the thing shows up. You don't wait for the lover, house, or car to appear before you feel joy. You feel the joy first, and then the external world shifts to match it. This is where most people go wrong. They wait for the evidence, not realizing they are the ones meant to create the evidence through emotion. So start practicing emotional alignment. Use music, movement, visualization, or memory recall to evoke the feeling of already having what you want. Feel it in your body. Live in the energy of already done. Story: Chika's relationship breakthrough. Chika, a Nigerian who lives in Lagos, had been single for years, always saying, "I just want someone who gets me." But deep down, she felt unworthy. After studying emotional alignment, she created a morning ritual. Visualizing herself laughing with a partner, cooking together, being held, she let herself feel cherished and connected. Within weeks, a former university acquaintance messaged her. Their first date felt like they'd known each other forever. They're now engaged. Chapter 4: The Difference Between Wishing and Attracting. Wishing is passive. Attracting is intentional. Wishing says, "I hope this happens," but attracting says, "This is already mine, and I'm aligning with it now." The universe responds to clarity, not uncertainty. Wishing often comes from a place of lack. It's rooted in the idea that something is missing. But attraction is based on alignment. It comes from the belief that you are connected to what you want already. People who wish often sabotage their own desires by doubting, overthinking, or waiting for external validation. They don't take the necessary inner or outer action because they don't fully believe. But when you are truly attracting, you move with confidence. You make space in your life. You prepare for what you've claimed. To shift from wishing to attracting, you must adopt the identity of the person who already has what you want. Instead of saying, "I hope I become wealthy," say, "I am becoming a person who attracts wealth naturally." Change your language. Act like it's on the way. Think and feel as if the manifestation is already unfolding. Remember, the law doesn't respond to desperation. It responds to resonance. Get into the energy of what you want, not the longing for it. Story: Tom's financial turnaround. Tom, a graphic designer living in Glasgow, constantly wished to be out of debt, but he stayed stuck in anxiety and avoidance. Bills piled up. When he learned about attraction, he stopped saying, "I hope things get better." He started affirming, "Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways." He opened a savings account, applied for freelance gigs, and visualized himself debt-free. In 3 months, he landed 2 large clients. His energy shifted, and so did his finances. Chapter 5: How Belief Shapes Reality. Beliefs are thoughts you've repeated long enough to become your truth. Whether they're empowering or limiting, they shape your perception, and perception dictates how you experience reality. If you believe something is hard, you'll find proof. If you believe you always attract support, you'll notice help at every turn. Your beliefs act like a filter. 2 people can experience the same event and interpret it differently based on their inner programming. That's why it's critical to examine the beliefs you've inherited from family, culture, religion, or past experiences. Are they serving your growth or keeping you stuck? Changing your belief doesn't require massive force. It requires awareness, repetition, and emotional involvement. Affirm new truths daily. act as if they are real. Your subconscious will eventually accept them, and your reality will reshape accordingly. To master the law of attraction, you must believe in what you want more than you believe in your fear. Even a small shift in belief can open massive doors. Story: Kanisa's breakthrough business. Kanisa, a single mother in Johannesburg, believed she was just surviving. A coach helped her uncover her hidden belief. "I'm not worthy of ease." She began rewriting it. Daily, she said, "I deserve overflow." She started selling handmade candles online just for fun. A local boutique noticed her on Instagram and placed a large order. Now she runs a thriving home business. Chapter 6: Aligning with what you want. Alignment is the state where your thoughts, emotions, actions, and beliefs are all in sync with the desires you want to manifest. It's not enough to just think about your goals. You must vibrationally match them. This means feeling the emotions of having what you want, believing it's possible, and acting as if it's already on its way. When you're out of alignment, you may find yourself taking actions that feel forced, draining, or disconnected. These actions usually lead to disappointment. On the other hand, when you align with your desire, every step feels energized, effortless, and in harmony with your true purpose. Alignment often requires you to release what no longer serves you, whether it's old fears, outdated beliefs, or relationships that hold you back. So how do you get into alignment? Begin by tuning into your inner state. Ask yourself, does this thought, feeling, or action reflect the version of myself who already has what I want? If not, course correct. Practice gratitude, self-love, and visualization to bring yourself back into alignment. Alignment is key for the universe to match your energy. When you vibrate at the frequency of your desires, you magnetize them into your reality. Story: Fela's public speaking career. Fela dreamed of becoming a motivational speaker but struggled with self-doubt. He spent months visualizing packed rooms, seeing himself speaking with confidence. Yet he felt stuck. His actions didn't align with his dreams. One day he signed up for a local speaking course to improve his skills. Suddenly, he felt an overwhelming surge of inspiration and confidence. That week, an unexpected invitation arrived to speak at a conference, launching his speaking career. Chapter 7: Why Clarity is Key. Clarity is one of the most powerful ingredients in manifesting your desires. The universe can only respond to clear instructions. Vague desires like, "I want more money," or "I want to be happy," don't provide enough energy for the universe to work with. Instead, be specific. Detail exactly what you want. Be as precise as possible. Clarity eliminates confusion and helps you focus your energy. The more clearly you define your goals, the more aligned your thoughts, feelings, and actions become. Clarity also empowers you to make decisions with confidence, because you'll be guided by a clear understanding of your end result. When you're uncertain, you hesitate. But when you have a crystal clear vision, you take inspired action without fear. One way to gain clarity is through vision boards, goal-setting journals, or simply taking quiet time to reflect on what you truly want. Write it down. Create a roadmap. Every time you revisit your goals, you reinforce your clarity and shift your frequency to match that specific outcome. The universe responds to specificity. The more clearly you can articulate your desires, the more powerfully you will attract them. Story: Indira's income goal. Indira, a freelance graphic designer, always said, "I want to make more money." But nothing changed. Then she sat down and defined her goal. "I want to earn $5,000 a month from my freelance business." She wrote it down, set milestones, and visualized receiving that amount. Within 2 months, she received 2 large clients, and her income grew as planned. Chapter 8: Taking Inspired Action. Manifestation isn't just about sitting back and waiting for things to magically appear. It's about co-creating with the universe. While your thoughts and emotions shape the energy of what you attract, your actions complete the process. Inspired action means doing what feels right, not forced. When you are aligned with your desires, you begin to notice opportunities that were always there. You take action not from a place of desperation,
but from a place of inspired confidence. It might be sending an email, taking a class, or meeting a new person, but the key is to listen to your intuition and act swiftly when the impulse strikes. Often people wait for things to be perfect before they act, but the universe responds to movement. Don't wait until you have all the answers. Take the next step and the path will unfold as you go. Inspired action will always feel exciting and natural. It doesn't mean working hard. It means moving in harmony with your goals. Story: Ola's food truck dream. Ola dreamed of opening a food truck, but he kept putting it off, thinking it was too risky. One day, he felt a sudden urge to email a former colleague who had worked in the restaurant business. The next morning, he received a response. His colleague was willing to invest in the idea. Inspired, Ola took immediate action, finding a truck and preparing a business plan. His food truck is now a popular spot in New York. Chapter 9: Letting Go of Resistance. Resistance is one of the greatest obstacles to manifesting your desires. It takes many forms: doubt, fear, impatience, control, and a lack of trust in the process. When you're resistant, you repel the very things you want.
Resistance keeps you stuck in the energy of lack instead of abundance. To release resistance, you must practice surrender. This means trusting that the universe will deliver what you want in the perfect time and form. It doesn't mean giving up on your desires. It means releasing your grip on how they will manifest. The how is not your job. Your job is to focus on what you want, feel gratitude for it, and take aligned action. To begin releasing resistance, start by identifying your fears. Write them down. Acknowledge them. Then, consciously replace those fears with empowering beliefs. The more you practice letting go, the more effortless the manifestation process becomes. Letting go is like planting a seed and trusting that it will grow, without constantly digging it up to see if it's sprouting. Story: Shosana's new relationship. Shosana had been single for years and was tired of using dating apps, wondering why nothing worked. She realized her fear of rejection and her desperation were creating resistance. She started practicing self-love and stopped checking the app. She trusted that the right person would come at the right time. A week later, a friend introduced her to someone, and their connection was instant. They are now happily engaged. Chapter 10: Real-life evidence of Elway's success. The law of attraction works for everyone, and thousands of people have used it to achieve extraordinary results. From famous figures like Oprah Winfrey to everyday individuals, real-life success stories prove that the law of attraction is more than just a theory. People have manifested everything from business success to health transformations to dream relationships. What's important to remember is that you don't have to be a special person for the law of attraction to work. You simply need to understand how it operates and use it intentionally. Anyone can use these principles to improve their life, no matter their background or circumstances. The evidence is all around you, whether it's a celebrity's story of how they overcame challenges or someone you know who turned their life around. Once you open your mind to the possibility, you begin to notice it everywhere. The law of attraction is constantly working. The only question is, are you working with it? Story: Oprah's rise to success. Oprah Winfrey has often spoken about how she visualized her success before it happened. She pictured herself as a powerful figure in the media, and she believed it was her destiny. She took massive inspired action, overcame challenges, and trusted the process. Today, she is one of the most influential women in the world, a living example of the law of attraction in action. 10 empowering affirmations. 1. I am a powerful creator of my reality. 2. Everything I desire is already on its way. 3. I trust the universe to bring me what I need. 4. My thoughts align with abundance and joy. 5. I radiate the energy of success. 6. I attract positive experiences into my life. 7. My emotions are powerful tools for creation. 8. I release doubt and trust in divine timing. 9. I am aligned with my highest good. 10. My desires are valid, worthy, and manifesting now. Thank you for listening to The Law of Attraction Explained. If you love this content and want more of it, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.